Hello dear friends, next topic we have array of structures. It means how we can use arrays in our structures. That is the concept. So in C language it is permitted that declaration of an array of structures. It means an array in which each element is a structure of same data type. So we can declare one dimensional and two dimensional array of structures. Then the syntax for this one dimensional array of structures is as shown here. Struct keyword you have to use, then followed by tag name and then array name and the size you have to mention. Struct followed by tag name, array name and size. See like this. Struct employee emp of 15. You can take array variable whatever you want. See, we'll take one example and solve this. Now include the header files. Then I am writing one structure here. See, this part is nothing but the declaration of structure. I am taking structure name as employee. Struct employee character name of 20. That means the name of the employee and int salary. What is the salary of the employee? Two data members I am taking here. And close the structure with semicolon. And you can observe that I am not declaring any structure variable here. I am going to declare this structure variable as a array of structure inside the main. Struct employee emp of 15. So this is what it shows, array of structures. See, you can use this emp of 15 here also. You can declare, that is also one type of declaration of array of structures. Otherwise you can declare like this as shown here. Struct employee emp of 15, it means array of 15 members employees we are taking. Got it? So maximum 15, you can declare 50 means you can enter up to 50 employee details. According to this concept or this program, the struct employee emp of 15 means maximum 15 members employee details I can enter here. Now we'll see. Declare some local variables called int I and n, and see, out of 15 employees, how many employees details you are going to consider. That is nothing but your n value. Got it? So n value may be 2, 3, 5 or 7, something like that. So here I am going to take n value as 3. It means maximum 3 employee details I am entering here. So once you read the n value, then enter the employee details. So how we are going to enter the employee details? So you are familiar with the for loop. Using for loop, you can enter 3 employee details in a iteration process. First one, I is equal to 0 means 0th employee or first employee details you are going to enter. Got it? So whether 0 less than n value 3, yes, condition true. So once the condition true, you can printf enter the name, scanf %d employee I dot name. You can observe here, this is emp of I. So emp of I in the sense index I value 0. Employee of 0 dot name. Employee of 0 dot name means, so 0th employee details you are going to enter. Maybe his name you can enter as XYZ or something. Okay, now when for loop I is equal to 0, enter the 0th employee details. Then enter the employee salary, %d ampersand emp of I dot salary. 0th employee salary you are going to enter. First name, then salary. So 0th employee details are entered. Then again it will go back to the for loop and I value will be incremented to 1. So whether 1 less than 3, yes, condition true. When this condition true, once again you are going to execute these statements. So according to these statements, you are going to enter the first employee, means in array first employee details. Actually it will be second employee details. Got it? So you are going to enter the details of emp of 1 dot name, emp of 1 dot salary. So you are going to enter the name and salary of next employee. After that, again the loop will be repeated. You are going to increment the I value, then it becomes 2. So when 2 less than 3, condition true, so that you are going to enter the third employee details here. In array it will be second employee. So you are going to enter emp of 2 dot name, emp of 2 dot salary. So once you entered all 3 employee details, what happens? I value will be incremented, then it becomes 3. Whether 3 less than 3, false. When the condition become false, you are going to jump to the next statements what we have. So here you are going to print the employee details as it is on the screen. So employee details are, again you take one for loop and print the employee details. So here no scanf, here only printf and scanfs, here only printf statements, because you are printing the results. Print it. Name is equal to percentages, new line, emp of I dot name. I value is here how much? 0. So emp of 0 dot name, it means 0th employee name will be print on the screen. Then new line is there, so that it jumps to second one, salary. Salary is equal to this much, emp of I dot salary. So once it prints the name and salary of 0th employee, then it I loop will be incremented, then it prints the second employee details, then it prints the third employee details on the screen. So this is what one simple program using array of structures. Got it? So array of structures, main thing you have to concentrate on this one. Array you have to declare along with the structures. Thank you.